pag-iisa ng aming mga buhay at sambayanan ang magiging pundasyon ng kapayapaan sa darating ng mga tao.
From this day on, we're not just allies, but true friends, standing together in trust and respect, ready to help each other no matter what comes our way.